Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the land of opportunity, Coles Jr.'s clash of titans was a spectacle to behold. Dream Cricket Coles Jr. and ICUSA Sons of Liberty locked horns in a Garden State showdown that was nothing short of epic.
New Jersey Hub, under 13 category, witnessed a riveting cricket saga unfold. Eagerness hummed in the air as young talent from Dream Cricket Coles Jr. chose to wield the willow first, setting the stage for an enthralling contest.
The Coles Jr. painted the pitch with strokes of grit and runs, whilst the Liberty bowlers toiled hard. A battle where extras spilled like a river, and the audience rode waves of highs and lows, witnessing youngsters carving their legacies.
Coles Jr.'s strategic mastery and Liberty's spirited defiance triggered tremors across the ground. It was a game of cricketing chess, punctuated by moments that will echo in the annals of this youthful rivalry, a testament to our beloved sport's thrilling unpredictability.
Coles Jr.'s innings was a tapestry of partnerships, with Rajveer Singh and Rehan Mohammad stitching a colossal alliance. The bat and ball dance yielded 183, a score bolstered by a heavy tapestry of extras gifted by Liberty.
Liberty's leather flingers struggled against the marauding Coles Jr. pair, yet they manifested shimmers of hope, inducing a middle-order crumble. A stage set by Singh and Mohammad, their duet performance was akin to master craftsmen sculpting a sturdy foundation.
Chasing the dream, Liberty's willow wielders stumbled and faltered under the stranglehold of Coles Jr.'s vigilant guardians. Ronit Corey unleashed a 6-wicket haul that spun a web too intricate to escape.
As Liberty attempted to carve their path, Ronit Corey emerged as Coles Jr.'s herald of doom, delivering a spellbinding performance. The scoreboard echoed the tunes of a dwindling resistance, and a crescendo of wickets fell, leaving Liberty's hopes stranded in the dust.
Rajveer Singh roared with his bat, while Ronit Corey's leather artistry rendered opponents spellbound. Their narratives intertwined to propel Coles Jr. towards triumph.
The stage belonged to Rajveer for his offensive prowess and to Ronit for his defensive masterclass. This duo's individual tales of excellence wove together to script Coles Jr.'s victory saga.
Dream Cricket Coles Jr. clinched victory by a mammoth 107 runs. The recipe for their success, a hefty dose of extras conceded by the opposition and a show-stopping performance by Coles Jr.'s young stalwarts.
The Coles Jr. emerged victorious, a win marinated in strategic supremacy and youthful exuberance. This spirited victory sows the seeds of a promising future for the victors in the thrilling landscape of junior cricket. As this chapter in New Jersey's cricketing annals closes, we reflect on a match that was not just about victory but about laying down a marker for the future. It is a tale these young cricketers will recount for years to come.
This was not just a win, it was a statement. A manifesto of Coles Jr.'s rising stars and their undying thirst for glory. With eyes firmly on the horizon, who knows what tales of triumph the next match will write.